So for my subtopic, I did air, and for my project, I built a wind turbine. So I made this to make sure that all people have clean air and nobody gets sick from the bad air and nobody gets something bad in their lungs, and I made sure that this would be a safe-keeping, healthy fan.
Fifth grade is doing a science fair, and we're very independent about it. We pick a question that we can research on, and we do a lot of research and form hypothesis. And we're on to stage 3, trying to figure out what our experiment's going to be. And it's really fun how we don't have like the teacher telling us what to do. We incorporate it and make it kind of our own.
But in math class, my favorite thing has to be what we studied throughout the year. Like at the beginning, we studied more in decimals, and now we're studying with fractions and ways to measure weight and length. And with the decimals and fractions, we learned how to divide, multiply, add, and subtract with the decimals and fractions.
So almost every day at lunch we have a club. On Tuesdays we have a book club, and on Wednesdays and Thursdays we meet for newspaper, and on Fridays we have something called Problem of the Week. So Ms. Pfeiffer gives us a math problem to work on during the week, and then on Friday we go to lunch and discuss it with her, and that's probably one of my favorite things.
One of my favorite things about 5th grade and FCS is just so many opportunities to do awesome things. Like the brand new Light Lab is awesome, has so many different tools, and just Miss Daly, who's in charge of the Light Lab, will help you with anything you need. And you can be yourself and just express all your ideas in more of the ways than just one.
Art is so cool because Miss Paris is so nice, and we could always like paint or draw or anything, our feelings, and it's really cool. And music, we get to really engage in our musical skills. And Prima Lingua, I love, you can learn the roots of everything. Like when you hear something that's Latin, you're just like, oh, I know that. It's cool.